how to subscribe to Amazon Prime. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to subscribe to Amazon Prime. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open any web browser, and now here, once you're inside, you can just tap on the search bar and simply type Amazon Prime and search for it. And now here, once you are inside the search result, you can simply scroll down and there you'll see the option labeled as Amazon Prime. So there you can just tap on second link and it will take you to the subscription page. Now here, once you see the interface like this, what you can do is you can simply scroll down and there you'll see the subscription plan. So here you can take a plan monthly or annually. And now here, once you're done with it, you can just tap on this option that says start your free 30-day trial. And once you do that, you'll be prompted to next section where you have to enter your payment method. So here you can simply enter your payment method, and once you're done with it, you can just tap on continue to activate your subscription. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.